We're going to do a little trade recap for you. So let's dive into it. This is using Firestorm Thor and Firestorm FX 3.0. So Firestorm FX 3.0 is obviously our original flagship indicator within the Firestorm indicators. And then Firestorm Thor is a newer one that we have. And as you can see, we have quite a few signals here from Thor and the indicators. So I'm going to move myself right over here and we're going to dive into Thor and FX 3.0. So if you're wondering what these lines are on my chart, it is actually pivot points. So those pivot points is what I use when I'm trading in the morning on my live streams. So if you're not on my live streams, I live stream every single morning with the Firestorm indicators and I show you exactly what I'm doing. Like this morning, I called out this signal. So let's turn these off for just a quick second here. This signal right here, I called out this morning. It was a beautiful signal. And then on top of that, we had Firestorm FX 3.0 call out a beautiful signal. Hold on. Is it on? I just had it on. Oh, sorry, wrong one. So Firestorm FX 3.0 called out a beautiful signal. And then we had Firestorm Thor call out a signal from the breakout market open this morning. So technically this morning, if you don't include this one from yesterday, so yesterday, oops, let's get that to go back. Yesterday, we had this signal from Firestorm FX 3.0. Then we had this signal from Firestorm Thor, which obviously took the stop loss and brought it to break even when take profit 1 was hit. And then take profit 2 got hit as well. Then we had this nice little support line. So Firestorm Thor is a breakout indicator. It's showing a break of a support or a resistance zone, and it's calling a signal on that. Where Firestorm Breakout 3.0 is a breakout, but it's usually a breakout of a wedge in a bunch of different styles of breakouts. So it's not just one single breakout. It is like Firestorm Thor is. This is multiple different styles of breakout. Now we had the signal this morning at market open. Firestorm Thor called out take profit 1 and didn't hit take profit 2, but we were already pulled to break even at that point. So we already secured the trade and made it risk-free. Then we turned around and I called out a signal when I saw this engulfing candle here. I called out a signal for a sell to tap into the lows here because we did not do that. And you know how we usually trend up in the morning on around 9:20 to 9:25. It's either we trend up or we trend down and then we reverse. Well, we didn't do that. We continued up and then we reversed. So I was waiting for the continuation up to stop and then we pulled back down and I called my signal there. Then Firestorm FX 3.0 came out and did the same thing on the 1 minute chart as well. So the sell here was beautiful for Firestorm Thor and Firestorm FX. So if I turn off Firestorm Thor, because I use Firestorm FX most of the time. Most of the time, Firestorm FX is what I like to use. Firestorm Thor is always an additional. So when they come together, I like to use them together. Or when the market structure looks nice and Thor calls out a signal, I love to jump in on that too. But then we had hitting take profit 1 on the 1 minute chart. 2 minute chart did not hit take profit 1. We hit take profit 1 in almost 2 on the 2 minute from a sell earlier. We did not hit it on the 3 minute yet, but the 5 minute we hit take profit 1. I don't think the 15 minute called out anything yet. We have the 15 minute from Monday, and then we have the 15 minute from 3:30 a.m. for a beautiful buy. That was like no drawdown. 3 candles, and we hit take profit 2. So basically, that's a little recap of today. Today was a beautiful trading day. I made $1,100 across my Apex accounts, and they were live Apex accounts, and I showed it on our live stream. So If you want to watch our live stream and you want to be a part of them, click the link below. Join the Firestorm Indicators. We'd love to have you a part of the community. We are also introducing that the second part of our live stream could potentially be a little binary option session if NASDAQ isn't looking good. So if you want to look into other ways that you can make money without having to always rely on futures, I'm also a binary options trader and I love binary options. And I teach you how I'm able to have over an 80% accuracy on binary options as well. So click the link below. You can head to our website. Our website has all the information that you need and payment plans as well. And you can get started there.